having worked with Blumberg Digital for about a year now.
That's right.
What have the results been like in your office?
The results have really been super positive. I mean, we've had about double the new patient count that we had before we started working with Blumberg, because we were hovering around upper 20s to 30, and now we just hit 60 last month. So really, really nice influx there. The other thing I've been really happy about is kind of seeing just some of the inflow to our office out of people finding us on organic Google searches, via SEO content, and knowing that there's work going on always on the background. And that's just been really helpful, making our job easier to get patients in to get the help that they need. Prior to working with Blumberg, I had worked with a large marketing company that works with a lot of dental offices throughout the nation. You know, unfortunately, just wasn't satisfied with my service with the other team, the other office, or the other company, I should say. The problem that we always had was that I would give them an idea about where I wanted to take something, a vision for my future of the practice, and it was very difficult to kind of get them out of this canned response, canned way of doing things. That always kept me feeling like I needed something more. And that's really what Blumberg has shined. So since we've started, the conversation has always been, where do you want to take the office? Where do you want to take your practice? And it's really been a great experience, explaining my vision, explaining kind of what kind of insurances do I want to participate with? Do I want to participate with insurances? What does our practice mix look like? And I think that it's really been a lot closer modeling of the culture that I want to present to my patients by working with Blumberg, and I'm really grateful for that. Working with the team has been a great experience, hands down. When I send a text, I send a call, email, it's answered pretty much immediately, if not within later that day, one day at most. And then in the meantime, I know that people are communicating on a very regular basis, which is not something I've seen in the past, and not something I've really seen with any other marketing company. So I've been very, very pleased with that. So what would I say to others who might be thinking about Blumberg marketing or not quite sure if they want to move forward? Basically, it depends on kind of what do you want. If you want to actually work with the best, if you want to work with a team that truly cares about what they're doing, delivers high quality customer service, and provides value at each step, it's really a pretty easy conversation.
And then what was it like doing some training, video training with Dan? Like how did that help you, and what did you get out of that?
So doing some video training with Dan was awesome. Dan's really great about, helping you understand tone. How does that impact your messaging? And I think that it's one of those things we always need to work a little bit more on. But with the training, the support, the continual touching and feedback that we get as far as from the team, I think that we have what we need to be able to implement that and make it a regular practice as far as on a week-to-week basis to try to capture things like SEO content, improving our outreach, those kinds of things.